welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a bucket of slime with me today. It's like a galaxy slime that a friend gave me. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So first, I'm just gonna like flip it over and just let it spill. Okay, that's what I'm running. So try it down so I can get it all out. Kidding. It's just really sticky. But one second, I need to go wash my hands so I can move you guys. Okay guys, I washed my hands. I know guys, I agree. It's on my right here. One second. It's somewhere. So guys, this is what it is. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I know that. You guys just keep on and keep on moving. Great sunlight. Okay guys, so you guys can see I just made that gigantic ball. Guys, so if in Oklahoma, like this video. You guys are in spring, like this. If you live in Maryland, like this video. Okay, guys, hashtag like in the like, share, follow me, and comment, and So guys, that was just my sister. I have 3. I just had to wash my hands. Let me set you guys back right here. You guys can't see my flying. It's fine. I only have to see this part. But I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up and now we're gonna go outside and play. Oh, sticky. Okay. I got it in there. Gonna go jump now. It's gonna be great lighting. It's gonna be kind of bright. Sorry if it's really bright. So let's go outside. Oh my God, bright, guys. It's so bright. Don't you think so? And yeah. Oh, my first shout out ever. First ever shout out. Okay. My first ever shout out is Jennifer Robinson. Sorry guys, I just did a front flip and you guys, my mom has a pop socket. Yes, this is my mom's phone. My mom has a pop socket. And I thought you guys were gonna stay with me. And I did that front flip. But I guess not. But I'm gonna go see if there's any berries on our tree. That we have, who wants to see our little puppy? I'll show you guys our little puppy. That's Sarge, and that's my sister's dog, the one that just came out here. Okay, man. Here, hop down. Let's see what came in. Sarge, you are G. Come here. She looks like a cow, doesn't she? Just with brown spots. Cayman! Come here. Come here, babies. I do this like every day. I would just sit here and play with my dogs. Come here. Come here. She's just a lazy butt. She's just a lazy butt. See, she rubs. She does not like me. Okay. So we're going back to my trampoline. It's right here. And that's my little sister's room. That's my mom's office. That's the bathroom. That's the kitchen where we were just in. And all the way up there is my sister's room. But we're going to go back inside and get something to drink. He loves running. He loves running. He just wants to go inside. Because he knows I'm going inside. Wish I could let him in. So you guys stay right here while I go get my cup. And no guys, this video isn't sponsored. I just like my Hydro Flask. No offense. Getting ice. Look. Ice time. You have to push out like all the way back, so 1 second. I'll put some on a plate. Make it cubed. Cubed. Just cubed pieces. It's the odd one out. Okay, now I'm just gonna like fill it with water. Okay, I got it. And now I'm just filling it. Sorry guys, it overfilled. My lovely drink. For some reason, no one, not even my friend Josie. Josie has like 3 Hydro Flasks. Not even she can close this one. I think there's something wrong with it. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh. I'm staying inside. I'm gonna grab a snack. Hold my hair with it. And then I just flip it over and I need to eat. like a mukbang slash not a mukbang slash not a mukbang. Not a mukbang. I said mukbang, not mukbang. Mukbang. It's not a mukbang. I'm eating cheese pasta. Lick your lips and swing your hips and all you gotta say is don't ever touch me again or you're gonna get slapped. Ah to the nah to the no no no. My name is no. My number is no ma. Lick your lips and swing your hips and all you gotta say is don't touch me again or I will slap you. Toodaloo. No. You guys can guess what TikTok is I'm doing, and I'll give you just comment the thing that I'm doing, and I'll mail you $100. You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you go. Bye, guys. I'm going to end it right here. Peace, 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 Ruby with ketchup underneath. Peace, 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 peace.